You here why?
So we're trying to find someone, and you're on the phone, and you've been staring at us over there. You're standing over there staring at us on the phone, and then you came up here, and you stood here, and then you were staring at us down there. What's your name, mate?
Why?
Why? Just asking, just having a conversation.
Do you always bother people like that?
You always bother people?
Yeah.
Not necessarily, no.
Oh, I looked at you, you're gonna bother me now?
No. We're just asking.
So what are you doing?
We're just asking.
Asking what? ID and all that. What are you on about?
You seem to understand us now. Do you see where I'm...
Yeah. I've got like, I received, it's like information just hit my head. English came back.
That's convenient.
Yeah, that's okay.
You mind taking your glasses off?
Do you want me to take my glasses off?
Yeah.
Why?
So I just want to see what you look like, that's all. Just because, like I said, we're looking for someone.
No, that's not me.
Officers approach demanding the auditor's name, offering no reason when he stays silent. They claim it's because he stared at them while walking by on his phone. But observing police in public is perfectly lawful and never grounds for intervention. Things escalate when they order him to remove his sunglasses, insisting he matches a suspect. Proper policing requires a clear suspect description, not vague hunches. Simply meeting an officer's gaze is not an offense and should never trigger an ID check.
I just looked at you. And you just did all this. What's going on?
So that's, you've just gone to perfect English, mate.
I told you. I just, my brain just clicked. I lost a bit of memory.
Mate, we've already explained why we're trying to, what we're doing, and why we're looking for something.
That's not me, man.
You've been acting a bit suspicious. You
I didn't.
looking at us.
Also, I just looked at you.
Then you walked over here and continued to just stare at us. You haven't gone into the shop or anything. It doesn't look like you've done anything. You haven't told us if you're planning to go into the shop. You haven't engaged with us at all.
Yeah.
You might understand that seems a bit suspicious. And we've asked for your ID, or your name at least, to see if you're not who we're looking for. You refuse to tell us.
So who are you looking for?
Well, you tell me who you are, and then we'll be able to...
You tell me who you're looking for, then we tell you if that's me or not.
Just tell me who you are, mate, or show me some ID.
Why do you want me to show you ID?
So I can see
Just
who
because I looked at you. Well, just hide somewhere.
Do you?
And I won't look at you again.
This whole interaction a lot quicker if you told us who you are, and we can leave and be gone.
Now I'm surrounded by foresters.
When the auditor calmly asks, "Who are you looking for?" the officer refuses to answer until he gives his name. That's backwards. Genuine suspicion must be explained first, not hidden behind an ID demand. Turning a simple question into a coercive bargain isn't policing, it's fishing for escalation. True reasonable suspicion has to come before a stop, never after pressuring someone to identify themselves.
Okay, just because you said that you weren't speaking any English, and then you've just gone into...
Yeah, I forgot my English a minute ago and I came back.
I've only come over here to be nosy.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
You're nosy? My name?
Yeah.
What do you want my name as well?
I'm just being polite so I can talk to you. My name's...
What's your name?
My name's Ellie.
Ellie, I can't see your upper lips for me.
Yeah, of course you can.
I can see them now. 4923.
Yeah.
You are?
Yes, you.
Who are you?
Ellie.
Millie and Ellie.
Yeah.
Upper lips?
Nice name, lovely.
And what's your name?
So, what's going on? Just because I looked at you, you can't be surrounding me like this in the shop. Yeah.
We're looking for somebody who matches your description.
Do they?
Slightly. So we just wanted to check that it wasn't you, and you were staring at us. We wanted to have a conversation to make sure it's not you. That's it.
Right.
Okay? That's all we
So what does that person look like?
Well, he was wearing similar things to you.
Okay, can I have the incident reference number?
No.
Yeah, you have to give me that.
I don't have to give you because it's not involving me at all. So I'm not going to...
Well, maybe it is. You said somebody looks like me. Maybe that person is me.
I'm not going to give you that information.
You should give me the incident number. I can even request it.
Imagine an officer stops you, saying you resemble someone they're looking for. At that moment, you're drawn into their inquiry. You're entitled to ask for the incident number connected to the stop. While UK law doesn't always require officers to hand it over, transparency builds trust. The College of Policing's Code of Ethics encourages openness, ensuring people can follow up or lodge a complaint if necessary.
You don't need it because it doesn't involve you.
The incident number?
Yeah.
You should give me that.
We've not got your details. You haven't been involved in the situation we're dealing with, so you don't need that information.
Well, you're desperate for my details. This punk over here, he wants them.
I said, can we have your name?
All right.
That's what we're
Now, for me to confirm what you're saying is true, I need the incident number.
No, you don't need this number.
So do you want me to ring 191 for this now?
You can ring the 101 all you like, that's absolutely fine.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, as the police, we've asked for your name, sorry.
Yeah.
You need to give it to us at this time.
But you said you're looking for someone.
Yes.
So I need an incident number.
Let me finish.
Yeah.
However, if you don't give the police your details, as the police, it's very, it comes across a little bit concerning to us, doesn't it? Because we're like, well, why does he not want to give his details? Why does he not want to give his name? Absolutely don't have to, but then we're going to ask...
You just answered your question.
The officer's attitude might as well be, your rights exist, but we don't approve of them. That isn't lawful policing. It's demanding blind obedience. Refusing to share details is not a crime. UK law protects that choice. You only need to identify yourself if you're formally detained, charged, or subject to a specific legal power, none of which applied here. Treating a lawful refusal as suspicious destroys informed consent. It's circular reasoning. Your refusal becomes proof of wrongdoing.
You've asked a question and you answered it, because I don't have to.
I absolutely didn't. Yeah, you didn't have to. What I'm saying is, in our opinion...
Is that not a good reason then?
We're going to ask more questions, because we want to know why you don't want to
Go and ask.
Your name. That's what I'm asking. Why do you not want to give us your name? Is there a reason?
But you answered that question already.
I didn't.
Yes, you did.
How have I answered?
Because I don't have to.
So is that
That's
the only reason?
because you don't have to.
Well, that's one of the reasons, yeah.
Okay, what's the other reasons? Do you want to tell
Now, I need to confirm your story is true later on, so I need the incident number.
confirm that at all?
I need to confirm that you...
Telling you that's what we're doing. You don't need to confirm that with anybody. If you want to, you can ring 101. That's fine.
Yeah, but I need the incident number.
Now.
Why can't you know
We're
it?
not going to get off this now, so...
Do you have an incident number? So basically, you're talking rubbish. Basically, you stood over there.
I'm not going to give it to you. We don't need to.
So you stood over there for absolutely no reason. You're trying to get my...
They're doing my job, actually. It has nothing to do with...
We're looking for someone.
Yeah, which has
Okay, if you're looking for someone, you should have an incident number.
Where's your car, mate?
My car?
Yeah.
What do you need in my car?
Well, I just got your car keys there. I was just wondering if you got your car here.
Somewhere, but not here.
Somewhere, but not here. All right. Okay.
Are we done?
Do you know, Laura? Do you know?
I don't. Honestly, I've answered that question. I don't have to answer the question, but I'm honestly answering it, and truthfully, I don't know.
Do you want to come and have a chat by the police car?
Yeah.
Keep recording.
Yeah.
And everything. So the thing is, under the Section 3 Criminal Law Act,
Yeah.
we use force basically.
Yeah, go on.
To detain people if we think that they're
Section 3, what does that cover?
Law Act to see if anyone that we believe that is unlawfully at large. So any person.
Oh, you think I'm that person that you're looking for?
Potentially. So at the moment.
Yeah.
You are.
I'm being detained.
And then if you just put our cameras are recording.
Yeah.
Okay. I just need to see if you've got any ID and everything else. And then if you're not that person.
I am not that person.
Well, I can't take your word for it, can I? Because that's what someone who
You need just check with your. Check with base or something and I get more description because I am not that person.
One officer invokes Section 3 of the Criminal Law Act 1967 to detain the auditor. But when questioned, he stumbles, claiming it's to check if someone is unlawfully at large or to confirm identity. Section 3 only permits reasonable force to prevent crime or make a lawful arrest. It does not authorize holding someone on a guess. Refusing ID alone can never justify its use.
That person.
We just need to make sure you're not, okay? That's what we're doing our job. We have to do it.
Yeah.
It would have been a lot easier for me if you just said, "This is my details, my name, here's some ID," and we could.
I can't do that because I have right to privacy.
Yeah, you do have rights to privacy.
So I can't do that.
And that's why we didn't have to detain you from the beginning.
Yeah.
We didn't have to obtain that information.
Because I looked at you.
No. So the whole behaviour was very suspicious around what's happening, and we don't know what's going on because you were over there, and like I've already explained, I'm not going to go through it again. You've all got it down on video. So do you want to put your phone away, and then we'll go through that, and then you can be on your way if you're not that person. Right?
I don't want to do that.
But you're detained, mate.
I'm detained. Which section?
So it's Section 3. If I'm just gonna.
I don't know Section 3 actually.
Okay. So I'm just gonna.
So what's Section 3? What does it cover?
It covers the use of force. All right. If I believe that you're someone, a person, unlawfully at large. Unlawfully at large.
But why do you only think I am that person? Why you don't think it's that person? You got to get a little bit more.
I'll give you some details after, but at the moment, yeah, I'm just put your phone away. Okay, and then we'll go from there.
My phone, you don't need to move it.
Okay, so it's fine.
Let me just. I will say one thing.
Yeah.
You will not see aggression from me.
Good. But you're not going to see aggression.
Just to let you know that.
Okay.
Yeah.
You just want to.
So I will warn you one thing only. If you're going to go ahead and search me unlawfully, I will make a civil claim against you and all your team. And I've done it many times.
Okay.
The search ends with nothing. No ID, no evidence, no connection to any suspect. The auditor rightly asks, "Why was I detained?" And the officers have no answer. Their intervention rested entirely on shaky guesses. A glance, sunglasses, a refusal to give details, and a mismatched clothing description. None of that meets the legal threshold for detention.
And this is what I do for a living. I record you guys.
All right. Okay.
Just to inform you.
So is that why you were watching us earlier, is it?
Yeah, I was watching what you guys were doing, yeah.
Were you watching us because you record us for your living? Is that why you were stood over?
No, I was watching what you were doing because I saw you stood there in a group. I thought, these guys, are they wasting taxpayers' money or are they doing something?
Oh, I see.
So I started looking just to see what you guys are up to.
Yeah.
Next thing I know, you approached me. I did not want to speak English at the time.
Okay.
Now I can speak English.
But the thing is, can you see where we're coming from?
I don't really care.
Okay.
But also,
you just put your phone away.
So you're going to go ahead?
So, listen, yeah.
Are you going to go ahead with you?
Listen, can you let me explain?
No. Are you going to go ahead?
Let me explain.
No, you're not going to explain.
Let me explain.
Am I detained or am I free to go?
So, the thing is, at the moment...
No what?
I believe, that there is potential, that you could be this person who is unlawfully at large because you've been very shaky.
I will give you a little bit more time, I will stand here.
No.
Hang on. Listen to what I'm saying. I will stand here without doing anything weird or running away or walking. I will give you a little bit more time to find out what that person looks like.
Okay. There's no more time. All right.
You already know. So why you bothering me then?
Description and everything. However,
what's the description?
I'm not going to share the description with you at the moment. So the description is that they're wearing a grey top.
Grey top versus black.
Wait a second.
This is black.
Let me explain. A grey top, black shorts.
Black shorts
and a black hat.
This is not shorts.
Wait a second. You've got the car. I don't know if you parked the car, you've changed, or anything like that.
All right.
From the picture that I've seen as well, but on my phone.
Check it again.
I've checked.
Check it again.
Listen, I've checked it. They've got a dark beard. Okay.
Dark beard, yeah. You've got a dark beard.
Yeah. I can't see your eyes or anything like that. They have got some hair.
So, okay, check it again. I will show you my eyes.
Imagine you're in a parking lot and two officers demand your name. No reason given. When you stay silent, they claim it's because you stared at them. But watching police in public isn't a crime. They tell you to remove your sunglasses to match a suspect, yet never describe anyone. When you ask who they're after, they say they'll only answer once you give your details. That's unlawful. Suspicion comes first, not after ID. Suddenly, they claim detention under Section 3 of the Criminal Law Act. Pressed further, they admit it's just to check identity. But Section 3 only permits force to stop crime or make an arrest, not to hold someone on a hunch. They search you, find nothing, and finally describe their suspect. Gray top, black shorts. You're wearing trousers. That mismatch should have ended it, but instead they speculate about you changing clothes in your car. Guesswork isn't policing. Empty-handed, they walk away without an answer when you ask, "Why was I detained?" This was policing without purpose, built on vague suspicion and a refusal to respect rights. The only calm, informed person throughout was you.